welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. In today's video we're going to be playing around with new Urban Decay Oh Honey Yes palette. No, it's just Honey, the Naked Urban Decay Honey. I was reading this where it says oh yes Honey, so it says we're buzzing the new Naked palette, rich addictive eyeshadow shades, and now you get to dip into them, complement your look with the eyeshadow primer potion. Now make sure your eyeshadow lasts all day and night. So I got sent it in PR and I'm freaking excited. So I haven't even played with it. And here are the shades. Ooh. And then we get the Urban Decay brush and it says Naked Honey double-ended. So let's just jump into the palette. Like, let's just play. I'm excited. I can't wait to see what we're gonna create. So I'm going to prep my lids and I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Full Wear. I don't really use the primer. I like using concealer. I don't know, it's just like a mania at this point, you know. Then going in with a TheMakeupShack T29. Y'all already know I use this to blend this in. Okay, I'm like really excited to use this shade right here, which is Keeper. That one looks interesting. So going in with Keeper, I'm going to apply that and just blend it out. Ooh, Keeper's pretty. I'm gonna go in with the TheMakeupShack T28. So we're gonna go in with Drip, which is this one right here. And we're just going to go like this, just right over here. Okay, going in with the TheMakeupShack T88. And I'm gonna go in with Drip and a little bit of Sting. Go back in with Drip and just like pat and then blend. I really like how Drip looks smoked out at the end of the eye. Like, it looks really pretty right there. So Drip for sure is gonna be a favorite. So we have Golden and then we have Honey. Oh my gosh, those look beautiful. So we have Golden and then Honey. And let's see how they look swatched. Yeah, you can definitely see like the difference with the gold and honey. So I think I want to do gold and then in the center we'll put honey. So going in with the Coastel Scents brush, I'm going to go in with golden. Just pick it up. And then just add that on my lid. I'm not going to cut the crease or anything. Just add this. Now going in with the Luxie 229 brush, I am going to pick up a little bit of Keeper. I'm just going to just add that just right on top, just kind of like smoothing everything out, not going in with any harsh color. I really like Keeper. Keeper and Drip have been my favorite so far. Okay, so we're not done yet. So now we're gonna go in a bit. I wanna see that. Oh, that shade is beautiful, mira. Look at that. Oh, that's gorgeous. Would that look weird? I want to use like all the shades, but I'm like, how would I do this? How would I do that? You know what? Freak it. Let's use that shade. So we're gonna use, and then we're gonna add it right there at the end. Okay, that doesn't look bad. I'm gonna add it just like that. So now going in with Sting, and we're just going to add that just right at the top. Just like that, just like a little bit, because I don't want this too dark either, but I do want it dark but just not too dark, you know what I mean? And I like that they put a white eyeshadow base in here. I love that they did that. So we have Flyby right here, pop that right underneath just to kind of give our brow just a little lift, you know, like it gives you like a little lift. Amber, I didn't even swatch Amber. Amber's pretty too, Mina. She's like, hello. I gotta swatch all of it. I need to start doing that. Before I play with the palette, I need to swatch all of it. instead of just like eyeballing it. Let me go in. I'm gonna go in with a brown instead of a black because we have a lot of like nice colors going on. I don't want to just put black and it's just gonna kill it. So you guys already know I'm obsessed with the LA Colors matte liquid eyeliner, so we're going to use this. So I'm gonna add a little bit of like glitter to give it more of like a boom, just to give it a little bit of something. So I want the eyeliner to be a little bit browner, so I'm going to go in with a look. I'll link this down below. Lay this just on top just to see if it's going to do what I want it to do. Yeah, that's how I wanted the liner to look. You see right there? So I'm just going to go over it with liquid lipstick. I don't want it to look so harsh. I want it to look soft and like pretty, you know. We're gonna go in with extra lashes. So I'm gonna go in with these ones right here. These are Tati. I think it's Tati, or it's TATI, TAT. I don't know. It's that right there. Don't mind the bad foundation. I'm doing a foundation review. So going in with the Kat Von D Autograph pencil. This one is Fool's Gold. I'm gonna go in with that one, and I'm just going to add a lot of it right here. Now going back in with the beautiful palette, we will be picking up Drip with a MakeupShack T2, my bad. And I'm just going to do this right underneath. Then we're gonna go in with Sting just for the outside. Just right there. Don't bring it inward. Just right there. Okay, now I'm going in with Honey with the MakeupShack pencil brush. I'm just gonna add just a little bit right there. Okay, that's so pretty. Just a little bit right there. It's so pretty. It just makes you want to keep adding and adding and adding and adding. It's gorgeous. And just to be a little extra, let's add a little bit in our eyebrow. So going in with Honey, I am going to just pop it right there. Like it wants to be right there. Ooh! So I do want to try this. Everyone keeps saying like why the f is my hair like that? Everyone keeps saying like this is like super good. So this is the Lash It Out by It Cosmetics. A ver, we'll see. I gotta play with it a couple more times, but first impressions, okay, it's all right. It's all right. I'll continue to play with it. I like a drying formula, so this is kind of like in the middle, so we'll see. Okay, so I want to do like a pink. What color can I do? Like a real, oh, I'm going to apply, this is a ColourPop Lippy, and so this is a ColourPop Lippy, and this one is in BFF. I feel like a brown nudish pinkish. I didn't want to dip into this until I did the swatches, but we're gonna dip into it. So this is the Essence, and I'm going to find me a pinky nude. This is the Essence. This is nude. Freaky. Okay, and let's use it. That is pink. I do want to go in with the lip gloss I've been really loving. This one is the Ofra Cosmetics lip gloss, and this one is in Pink Panther. I'm gonna add some glitter. This is the Alamar Cosmetics in Mother of Pearls gloss. I want to get their nudes. If you have their nudes, let me know because they look so nice. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so now everything is all done. Everything is all complete. Let me give you my final thoughts on the palette right here. I really like this one. This is going to be your favorite, especially if you like playing with just like golds and bronze, the really warm browns. My favorite was Keeper and Drip. Those were like my favorite. Gold and Honey as well were like, damn, really nice. I feel like it created something very beautiful. I feel like I like this one as much as I like my Naked Urban Decay Urban Decay Heat. I feel like this one is such a pretty one. I like these two over all the other Urban Decay Naked palettes. I feel like these two are like, oh yes. And the brush, I think it's so freaking cute how it says Naked Honey on it, which is so cute. I don't think they did that for the Naked Heat because I just like put that somewhere else. But since this one says Naked Honey, it makes me want to keep it. You know what I mean? It makes me not want to lose it. So that's really nice. It's very pretty, especially if you're looking for like a new like fall high-end palette, then this is definitely one that I would highly recommend. Which, yeah, more affordable, I'll be playing with other affordable drugstore fall palettes, but if we're just talking about like a high-end palette, do I recommend this one? Yes, it's very beautiful. It's even more beautiful in person compared to like the pictures, or like, you know, someone's showing you on your Snapchat or something. I feel like when you see it in person, it's more of like a damn type of thing. And I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but sometimes when I look at a palette like online, sometimes depending on like how they take the picture, I'm like, oh damn, that's pretty. But there's sometimes where it's like, I need to see it in person. And then when you see it in person, sometimes you're still like, eh, and then other times you're like, okay, yeah. And I feel like that's what gave me the, yeah, like seeing it in person. So yeah, I recommend it. I love the look I created. I feel like it's a really pretty fall look. Very pretty. I'm definitely gonna be playing with this one again, like for sure, especially because it's like, those are like the colors that I like a lot, you know. So let's get to swatching. So those are all the swatches of the palette. If you're a Leo, I feel like you're gonna really like this palette too, because it's just so pretty. I don't know, it just screams Leo. Again, this is something that I would recommend if you're looking for a high-end sort of palette like this. You would not be disappointed playing with, like, you would not be disappointed. There's so much that you can create with this palette that I feel like you'd be like, oh yeah. I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already to keep up to my videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. This is going to be available September 13th, UrbanDecay.com and Sephora.com. September 23rd, Ulta.com, Macy's.com, Nordstrom's.com, and Belk.com. September 26th, in-store Ulta and Macy's, Nordstrom, and Belk. That's cool.